In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept an Asana invitation and get started with your team's projects. First, open the invitation link you received in your email or messaging app. This is the unique link that connects you directly to the space your team wants you to join. When you click it, your browser will open Asana and recognize that you've been invited to collaborate. If you have multiple email addresses, make sure you're using the one the invite was sent to so Asana can place you in the right spot. Next, on the page that opens, look for the button that says Accept Invite or Join. The wording can vary slightly, but it does the same thing. It confirms you want to join the team or workspace that sent the invitation. Click it to move forward. Now, sign into your existing Asana account or create a new one if you don't have one yet. If you already use Asana, just enter your usual login details and continue. If you're new, the setup is quick. Asana will ask for your email and a secure password, or it may offer single sign-on if your organization uses it. Use the same email that received the invitation so everything connects smoothly. After you're in, Asana may prompt you to complete a few profile details. This typically includes your name, a profile photo, and sometimes your role or department. Filling this out helps teammates recognize you in task assignments and comments and makes collaboration clearer. You can keep it simple and update it later if needed. You'll then be asked to choose the workspace, organization, or team you were invited to. Here's a quick way to understand the terms. An organization is usually your company's domain-wide Asana space. Within an organization, teams are groups like marketing or engineering. A workspace is a standalone space, often used by small groups or independent projects. Select the exact one mentioned in your invitation so you land in the right place. Once you're in, you can start viewing the projects and tasks shared with you. The left sidebar shows teams and projects, and the main area displays lists or boards of tasks. Click into a project to see its tasks, due dates, assignees, and descriptions. Opening a task reveals details, attachments, and the conversation thread so you can understand the context. Even if you're just getting oriented, browsing the project overview and recent activity can quickly show you what's active and where your attention might be needed. That's it. You've joined, set up your profile if prompted, selected the right space, and you're now ready to explore the work your team has shared with you in Asana.